In PathMaster X version 1.1, the Program Image Editor has moved inside the Program Settings menu. The image editor controls are Swap Height and Width, which switches the image dimensions, and Lock Aspect Ratio, which retains the image proportions when resizing, and it is enabled by default. The Open Image button opens a window for choosing a file. Both JPEG and PNG formats are supported. The Clear Image button removes the current image and changes to Restore Default Image when no image is set. The Edit button opens controls for flipping and cropping the loaded image. Finally, PathMaster X version 1.1 introduces the Image Alignment tool, enabling users to correlate 2 points on an image with real-world coordinates for precise scaling. The next segments will cover fine-tuning program images for canvas accuracy and explaining the program origin definition. To configure an accurate program canvas, begin by selecting the desired image. This example uses a file created with the image stitching feature. Loading a stitched image automatically sets the dimensions. For detailed information about image stitching, please refer to the relevant instructional video. Set the program origin by using a tool on the Z-axis to teach the substrate height near the lower left corner of the product. Then, switch to the Teach tool and press the Move to Point button to quickly move the camera's view over the previously taught coordinate. Align the camera crosshair along the edges of the product and update the origin's X and Y values. This method of teaching the origin easily preserves the substrate height without additional steps. With the program origin taught, final adjustments to the image offset will be made using the Measurement tool to improve canvas accuracy. With the camera live view open, zoom in on the canvas and select a clear point near the substrate height. Move the camera to the point and check for discrepancies with the canvas tool indicator's position. Repeat this check at 2 other points. If the points show similar disparity, update the image offset. If the disparity changes between points, resize the image. To determine the required image offset, begin by opening the Measurement tool in the Canvas toolbar. With the Canvas tool indicator aligned with the target object, right-click the canvas and select Pin Measurement for tool position. Next, align the camera crosshair with the point. The Measurement tool will display the image offset values to be entered in the Program Settings menu. Finally, ensure any discrepancy between the camera live image and the Canvas tool indicator has been cleared by checking multiple points. The next segment will detail how to utilize the program origin definition. In this example, the program origin is taught at a fiducial mark instead of the lower left corner of the product. Note that the camera's live view is centered on the fiducial mark, while the canvas shows the program origin at the lower left corner of the product. Right-click the canvas in the center of the feature and select Move to Cursor to move the camera by the distance from the product's corner to the fiducial mark. Again, note the discrepancy between the live image and the Canvas tool position indicator. Use the Measurement tool to find the distance from the program origin to the current tool position. Then manually enter this distance to update the program origin definition. Access the program origin definition by pressing the Advanced toggle button. Changing the definition moves the origin of the program coordinate space. This method is used instead of image offsetting to allow all points to be taught in positive values from the lower left corner of the canvas. Finally, the Image Alignment tool allows images to be scaled accurately. Without guesswork, align the 2 icons by dragging them to specific features on the image. If the real-world X and Y distances between the points are known, they can be entered manually. This is useful for offline programming when the pendant is unavailable. Otherwise, the positions are taught using the pendant. When ready, press the Apply button to scale the image. Then follow the previous guides for measuring image offsets to improve canvas accuracy.